So, hello. Can I have your attention, please? Thank you, everyone. Over the years, a lot of people have been have done really so well for this association. They volunteered in a different capacity, and they've supported us in different ways. In fact, like there are so many people. So if we are not presenting an award to you, it's not because we didn't recognize your support, no matter how little it is, or no matter how big it is. So please kindly bear with us. We went through the list very, very quickly, and we just wish that we can use this opportunity to award people that have served us in different capacity as a volunteer for the association. So we're going to make it very quick, and so we can move into the next program. So I've got a list of people that are awardees for tonight. The first one that I've got here is a certificate of appreciation presented to Mrs. Jumoke Balogun. I know Mrs. Jumoke Balogun is here, but I've got Dr. Balogun in the building to receive the award on her behalf. Thank you. The next one I've got here is to my right-wing lady. She's one of the youth in the community, but she's doing a great job, even the responsibility of an adult. This next award, the certificate goes to Miss Ayomiku Ajetomobi. I know the mom is here, so the mom can receive the award on her behalf. I know Ayomiku is in UAE as we speak. So this is to Ayomiku. Thank you so much. So Ayomiku is the chairperson for the Yoruba planning committee. So thank you so much. She has raised a very good daughter. Thank you. Now this next award goes to my very own brother. He's a main man. Every time you call on him, there have been times that I call on him on 1 a.m. in the morning. He always pick his phone. So this next award goes to somebody that always volunteer all the time, year in, year out. Sometimes you never know that he's not a member of the executive. So this one goes to Mr. Adeolu Abioye. Whatever I've said about Mr. Abioye, I can say it about this very woman as well. She is someone that... So this next award goes to Mrs. Fumi Omidiora. Mrs. Fumi Omidiora.
Ohun tí a bá ń fẹ́, a béèrè lọ́wọ́ Olúwa. Ọlọ́run ọba ni mo mọ̀, Ọlọ́run ọba mà ni bàbá.
Next one goes to our community leader. Even though she's so busy, but she's always into everything. Everything and everything. She never said no. When you call on her, she will come to your aid. The next award goes to Dr. Remi Yusuf.
Ẹni tó ń wáṣẹ́, ó béèrè lọ́wọ́ Olúwa. Ọlọ́run ọba ni mo mọ̀.
This next one goes to the Jagaban of Melbourne, the Emilokan of Happy. The next award goes to Mr. Toyin Abbas. something at the corner. One community shop at the corner. Aha, Mr. Tony Abbas. Mrs. Abbas.
Iṣẹ́ ló ṣẹ̀dá mi sáyé. Ọlọ́run ọba ni mo mọ̀, Ọlọ́run ọba máa ní bàbá. Ó tó àsìkò láti ṣiṣẹ́, iṣẹ́ ló pọ̀.
The next one goes to a community woman. Every time you call on her, she's always willing and ready to help the community. And everyone in the room can attest to this. The next award goes to Mrs. Fatima Mahmood. I know she's not here today, but please can we give her a round of applause, please? Can we give Mrs. Fatima Mahmood Nula Foods a round of applause, please? Thank you. The next one goes to one of our youth again. She's been volunteering in a different capacity, a lot of ways for the community. And she's also a member of the planning committee for this Yoruba Day. The next award goes to Miss Joy Adetifa. Ayo Adetifa, where are you? Here she is. Ayo Adetifa. Is she coming? Ìyá mi Adetifa ẹ bá wa gbà on her behalf. Here she is. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Thank you, darling. The next award goes to somebody that I've always relied upon. If we are having so much fun, and most of the time we do a free community event, she has always been the one that made it possible because of her skill in writing a grant and support for the association. The next award goes to Mr. Abimbola Odetayo. Mr. Abimbola Odetayo. This next award goes to my very own brother. He has served in a different capacity, and he has also served as a president of the association in the past, and he has volunteered immensely on a different level. The next award goes to Mr. Wale Olaito. Mr. Wale Olaito. A lot of the time you always hear about a wingman. But I've also got my own wing lady as well. So the next award goes to Miss Olushola Akeola. This next award goes to a lady that always pull her weight. Every time you call upon her, she's ready to serve. The next award goes to Mrs. Fumi Olusa. Ìyáàfin Fumi Olusa. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ bá wa pàtẹ́wọ́ fún wọn o, ẹ bá wa pàtẹ́wọ́ gbé wọn dìde o. Aha, the next one goes to a lady that always loved to volunteer. She loves her kids so much. She's very active in our Yoruba class. She's very active in the community. Even though she's not a Yoruba, but she married a Yoruba man, but you will never know. The next award goes to Mrs. Sarah Akamo. Mrs. Sarah Akamo. Mr. Akamo. Mr. Akamo. This is your lovely wife. This next award goes to Odomode Olowo, Mr. Oluwayemi Shijuade. He's a member of the executive and is always very active. The next award goes to a very lovely woman. I've always been very proud to be associated with her. The next award goes to Mrs. Bosede Adetifa. Ìyáàfin Bosede Adetifa. Olórí láàfin. Here she is. The next award goes to a young man that's never been tired of volunteering. He volunteers in every form and every way. The next award goes to Mr. Temitope Adebowale. Mr. Temitope Adebowale.
Àwọn fẹ́lẹ́fẹ́lẹ́ tó bonú kò jẹ́ kí wọ́n rí kùn wá ṣe ni.
I'm sure you are not going to call this a conflict of interest, because this next award goes to my own cousin. And he's a senior citizen, but you will never know, because he's always up and doing. I've been in this room since 10 a.m. with him in the morning, and we left together around 2:30 to go change and come back. And this is him. He doesn't miss what this is how he operates. So the next award goes to my home very cousin, Mr. Olumide Diyaolu.
Òṣìkàjẹ́ lọ yí padà tẹ̀lé ní ká lọ sọ́dọ̀ Olúwa.
Ẹni tó bẹ̀rù ìkà tó rántí ọjọ́ ọ̀la.
This is him. Every time we have any Mr. Dotun Obadina, look, I don't even know how to describe him. He's always ready. You don't even need to ask him. He will put his hand up. So this next award goes to Mr. Dotun Obadina. The community is so proud of you. The community thanks you for everything that you represent, everything that you do. Thank you so much. We are so proud of you. So the last one goes to, is not the least in the executive. Is a great member of the executive. So this last award goes to my very own person, the senator of our time. Only senatorial seat, oh. Money. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, ìwọ ni.